Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5070773, because of this error, these error codes. So the first step is to restart computer and then try again. Simply restart your computer once, and after the system restart you can try to update your Windows 11 again. Still not working, pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then go to here, you can see pause update option, click on pause, and once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working, start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find App Readiness, make a double click on App Readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted and then click on OK. Now make a right click on App Readiness, click on restart. Find Windows Update, scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can try to update and then check. Still not working. The next step is to run SFC, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key, and once the second scan is 100% complete, run the third scan. So copy this command and paste it on the same window, and once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this you can go to Microsoft website, the link is provided in the video description, and then write down the name of the update. That is, if you see retry option in between, make sure that you hit retry and then check. Now write down the name of the update, that is KB5070773, and then click on search. Let me change the language. Now over here, first of all type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Check the version, in my case it's version 25H2, and then check system type. So go to system, scroll down, go to about option, and over here you will see the system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So the right update for me is Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. Now if you have Windows 11 version 24H2, then this is the x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Click on download, and on this screen click on the update KB5070773 and let the download complete. Once downloaded, click on this file and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use option fix problems using Windows Update. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery, and over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. Click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer. After the system restart, when you go to update history, you will see the repair version of version 25H2 or 24H2, and then you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see use media creation tool, click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Just run this exe file. Now once you run the exe file, now click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and then let the download complete. This will take some time, and once this is done, click on finish option and then let this close automatically. This will take few seconds to close or maybe a minute. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow, click on next, and then click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So hit install, and after the installation, log into the computer and then check. One of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.